Welcome to my channel Healthy Treats. If your days are spent in school, college and office more than at home and because of that you are unable to take care of your health, this video is for you. Most of us give these excuses to ourselves because we live outside the house most of the time. We are unable to take care of our food and drink. Because outside something food goes. Moreover, there is not much time at home to make something healthy every day and take it for the whole day. That's why they eat what they get. But if you have, not one or two but no matter how many healthy things, which you can take ready-made from the market or you can make it at home and take wherever easily. This will keep your stomach full for the whole day and will also give a lot of benefits to your body. This video is not just for people who want to lose weight. But it is for all those who want to manage weight, want to live a healthy lifestyle and avoid diseases caused by unhealthy eating. If this topic is of your interest, then first of all like this video. So let's start. First of all, make this rule that you have to eat something every 2 hours and whatever you want to eat is only healthy food. You have to take 3 big meals a day. That is, breakfast, lunch and dinner. And take 3 small meals in between the big meals. If you think that eating 6 meals a day will increase your weight, then it is not so. If you eat healthy food and eat it at regular intervals, then you will not get hungry very soon and you will avoid eating junk food or snacks. With this, you will not eat extra calories and this will reduce your weight. All the big film stars or celebrities, the secret of their good health is that they eat something or the other every 2 hours but only healthy. And that's why they always maintain themselves. These people also stay outside all day but still take care of their food and drink. First come the dry fruits. It is also easy to carry and does not spoil quickly. They also give you instant energy, also not cause weight gain. Have at least 4 to 5 almonds every day. It is very good if you eat soaked almonds, otherwise pack it and take it. When you are hungry in the middle of the meals or you feel like eating something with tea in the evening, then you can eat almond. Apart from this, you can also keep walnuts or peanuts. But keep in mind that they should be without salt. Yogurt or curd is also easily available to you. It is very good if you take it from home, otherwise you can buy ready-made. Do eat it with food or after food. It also enhances the taste of your food and also keeps digestion good. Hearing the name of the sandwich, water comes in the mouth. But you don't have to eat ready-made sandwiches which you have got from the market. You have to make healthy sandwiches from your kitchen. Try to eat only multi-grain bread. Put all the salads in it like lentils, cucumber, tomato, onion, capsicum. Remember not to apply ghee, butter or mayonnaise. Because it is okay sometimes, but not every day. Even if you add green chutney with empty salad, it will become very good. These are also a great option for those who eat eggs. But keep in mind that only boiled egg is to be eaten, not omelet. You can have 2 boiled eggs in between meals or with tea. You can eat boiled eggs by mashing them and making sandwiches by spreading them. Salad is very boring sometimes. But you can make it interesting. Cucumber, tomato, radish salad is an option, but you can add anything else to it. By adding boiled gram, rajma, sprouts or paneer, its taste also increases, your stomach is also full and also benefits the health. If you want, you can also eat it for breakfast or lunch. Paneer is also a high-protein food that gives instant energy to your body. Raw paneer is much better than eating oiled curry. Because oil and spices are not in it. Cut the paneer into small pieces and add salt and pepper and it is ready to eat. If you are more hungry, then you can also make sandwiches with paneer. If you work in the office, keep healthy snacks at or near your desk. Instead of eating biscuits or chips, make a healthy alternative. These days many healthy snacks have come in the market, like sugar-free biscuits, or oats biscuits. Also can be found diet foods. Keep roasted gram which you can eat in between and which are very good for health. You must take green tea once in a day. More than half of your diseases can be cured by this habit alone. Green tea can help you lose fat, especially harmful abdominal fat. Green tea is rich in nutrients and antioxidants that may have a range of health benefits. Plain, minimally processed green teas have the richest nutritional content and thus are considered best for weight loss and other health benefits. Another good thing about green tea is that it has almost negligible calories in respect to the number of nutrients it provides. For this, you can keep only green tea bags with you. Take a cup of hot water and infuse the tea bag in it for 4 to 5 minutes and your green tea is ready. Green tea is better than your regular tea. If you don't like the taste, you can add lemon and honey too. Variety of seeds are also very important for our health, which we should eat every day. But we often ignore these types of seeds. This is nothing new. People are eating these from years. But today's generation has no time to remove the skins of the seeds. That's why ready-made packets are available in the market, in which all types of seeds are available, like basil seeds, chia seeds, flax seeds, watermelon seeds, etc. They are available plain as well as roasted. You can also keep it with you and eat a spoonful of snacks every day. Coconut water is such a blessing for our health. For all those looking to lose weight can have coconut water. Coconut water is low in calories and easy on stomach. Consuming coconut water may help reduce wrinkles and fine lines, increase skin hydration and elasticity. Coconut water can boost up your metabolism, thus reducing your chances of weight gain. If you take coconut water thrice a week, then your health will not only be good, but your skin will also glow. There are some fruits such as apples, which you can eat comfortably even while traveling. In the same way you can also keep one banana with you. There are calories in banana, but it is better than the junk you eat outside. If you have time, take some freshly bought fruits along with you, such as watermelon, papaya, grapes or whatever the season fruits available in your city. The more you eat, good it is. Fruits are an excellent source of essential vitamins and minerals, and they are high in fiber. Fruits help you maintain good health. Fruits contain powerful antioxidants that help protect the skin from cellular damage. Drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water in a day. If weight loss has to be done quickly, drink hot water. And its easy way is to keep water bottles on your office desk. And the goal of the whole day is that you have to finish all these bottles in 8 hours. Whenever you have to take a break in between work, keep drinking water little by little. By evening you will not even know, you must have drunk a good amount of water. Drinking water can stimulate your metabolism. So by now you must have come to know that you can take care of your health even after staying outside all day. Eating unhealthy food is just our choice. It is not that there are no options. Whatever healthy thing you find around you, you have to think about what is best for you. If any of you are already following the habit, then do let me know in the comments. And if you liked some of these, you would like to follow from now onwards, then definitely let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, for more useful content.